I do know more French. This one.
So our band is kind of two bands. There's Walter, etc., and then there's Walter Mitty and his makeshift orchestra. This is a song by Walter Mitty and his makeshift orchestra. It's the inferior band, but we owe it to that band a little bit. So the best minds of my generation popsicle, frozen out the same and slowly melting from the Adderall, and always getting dragged around by gender roles and zombie pharmaceuticals, the cubicles, the pain. Seen a pretty face, the good vibrations are only making hollow hedonistic together. The next giant equation, it's a you that the roots are about to break. So you can make the better levels, the base of petty lights on. And the people can't see we can build this fucking thing I'm hardly a man, but still dreading my considerables. Yes, I understand I'm on the hill. I think they think I am, but it gets confusing with my pendulum moves and all this thinking is knowing me. So I took myself into love and lying peace with my lovely. Somewhere in this mess, I swear that I'll become so meaningless. Bohemians and beamers and rebels wearing